Hello guys, welcome back. Let's see what we have here guys. What to pick guys, what to pick guys. Let's pick this one up guys. Wow, this is lion. Wow guys, look at lion looking so cool. Look at this. Very scary guys, wild animal. Let's collect them in the basket. Now let's see what we wear guys. What to pick? Let's pick this one up guys. Whoa guys, look at this. Wow, this is bear. Wow guys, bear looking so scary. Wow, wild animal. Let's collect them in basket. Now what we have here guys. What to pick guys. Let's pick this one up guys. Wow, this is elephant. Wow guys, elephant figure. Wow, looking so cool. Collect them in basket. Now what we have here guys. Let's pick this one up guys. Wow, this is tiger. Wow guys, look at this tiger looking so cool, so amazing figure. Wow, very nice, very scary guys, wild animal. That is direction. What do we have here guys? Wow, look at this. What is this guys? Wow, this is deer. Whoa, whoa. Wow guys, deer looking so amazing figure. Wow, wild animal. Let's collect them here. Now what do we have here guys? Let's pick this one up guys. Wow, this is cheetah. Wow guys, look at the cheetah looking so cool. Look at it, so scary guys. Very scary guys, wild animal. Nice. Now what do we have here guys? Let's pick this one up guys. Wow, this is gorilla. Wow guys, gorilla looking so scary. Look at this. Very scary bodybuilder, wild animal. Very nice. That's for today over. That's it for today guys. Very nice. Wow, look at this. Wow, so nice animal toys. Over guys. Over guys. Over guys. Over guys. Over guys. Over guys. Like, share, subscribe guys. Check it guys. Bye. 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 Bye guys. Check it guys. Bye guys. Check it guys. Bye.